As the pandemic stretches into yet another month, the public health woes are taking a toll on mental health, and Lines for Life is on track to see a dramatic increase in calls for help from teenagers, and there are several reasons for the increase. Fox 12's Audrey Wheel is live in Northwest Portland with what they're seeing and how we can all help. Audrey?
Yeah, Nora, the Youth Line is set to see about a 47% increase in contacts this year compared to last year. And a lot of the issues they're seeing do tie into the pandemic. Things like loneliness, school uncertainty, or being home all the time with their parents. When the word of the year is pandemic, and we've all found ourselves saying unprecedented far too often, no question, it's a difficult adjustment for everyone. Kids and teenagers have had their world turned upside down too.
They just don't have the same toolkit that we do. We start with that, and then you add to that these uncertainties.
Youth Line is part of Lines for Life, offering teen-to-teen support. It's on track to answer more than 28,500 calls, texts, and chats in 2020, which is a 47% increase compared to last year. They're seeing a need for support in several areas.
School stressors, loneliness, isolation, and relationship issues, some around their parents.
Director Emily Moser says there are a few things influencing those numbers. Of course, the pandemic. But also, the line's grown consistently in recent years, with about half of the calls coming from out of state now. Moser says they even saw one uptick this year when a TikTok user mentioned them as a resource in a video.
I think it really is an indicator that if you know that resources are out there, particularly amongst young people, and they're encouraged by other young people, that youth will use them. And that's a good thing. That's a really good thing.
Plus, between distance learning and social distancing, this is a time when teens don't have that chance to talk things out in ways they might normally. Youth Line offers that kind of connection among peers. And Moser says we can all initiate conversations that help.
Ask them the tough questions. How are you feeling? It must be hard. I'm wondering what it's like for you to be in school online all day. How is it affecting you to be with your parents 24/7? And are there ways that I can support you while we're all going through this together?
Youth Line has added volunteers to help keep up with this demand, and Moser says that their other lines are seeing similar increases. We'll put a link to their website on our website too, kptv.com. Reporting live in Northwest Portland, Audrey Wheel, Fox 12 Oregon.